Okay guys, the new transmission pan came and we're gonna change it out today. Okay, we jacked up. It's leaking right now. Guys, I'm making pull the pan down without moving this bracket. So I can bend this shield over so to get the pan to shift down. These are 10mm bolts. Got a hole puncture tool, and I punctured a hole in it. So just for making things simple, since the pan is garbage anyway. If the pan wasn't garbage, I would have never done this. But making things simple. This is the pan. Has the drain screw, which is great. Here go the reusable gasket. Spent a little extra money for the good reusable gasket. I think we're just about drained out. This is about full. Okay, we gotta move this out of our way, guys. Screwdriver up here. Pop that off. Move this clip. Should be able to get some pliers and squeeze this off now. Moved it super easy. Push it to the side over here. On our way. And I think I can slide. I don't have to remove this bracket. I believe once I get these bolts down, I can angle it and pull it out that way. So we'll see. Okay guys, it came straight down. When I took the last bolt out, it just dropped down. Leaking some fluid out the filter, but it wasn't no weight on the pan. So it just came down smooth. I had to worry about it splashing all over the place. And this is the perfect time to change the trans filter. I'm gonna see how much one of them costs, guys, since I do got everything off. Might as well replace it. Super simple, guys. It dropped right down. You have to tilt it that away towards the passenger side of the vehicle. Just tilt it and pull it out over this bracket. Very, very easy. So it'll go back up the same way. I'm gonna clean around the housing of the transmission so I can have an easy, smooth mount up. Guys, I wanna note I removed the back transmission bolts with this extension and this swivel, my impact. Okay guys, the filter just came down super easy. Just pull it down. There's a little sleeve. It seats in. It's here. I just take a visible look at it. This one looks fine. The new filter comes with the sleeve. You can change it out if you like. This is okay. I'm just gonna pop the new filter up here. If you do change it, you gotta get a real thin device to kind of tap around it and tap this out of there. Sometimes they be stubborn. Most of the time they come out pretty easily. Okay guys, I wanna know, another thing you wanna do that's very important is this magnet. There's a magnet in here. There it is right here. This magnet, you wanna kinda clean it off and wipe it down and put it back exactly where the old one was located here. I put the magnet here. I'm gonna wipe it off. This magnet purpose is to catch the shavings that comes through the fluid. So give it a good wipe off. Okay, I got the magnet inside of the pan. Cleaned it off with some brake cleaner. See it right there. Just push the filter up, super easy. You wanna make sure you kind of twist it in place, make sure it seats in there, and it actually seats into the perfect spot into the valve body. You wanna make sure it's pressed into this certain spot. It's like it can't move now. Once you push it up, you will feel it push in place and push up. So let's clean around here and get the pan up. Okay, I got it clean down here. We're clean, and I'm about to start the pan. I'm gonna put a bolt in the front and a bolt in the back with the gasket on. Show you guys. I'm gonna start a bolt. Got the gasket seat in place. So I'm gonna set it up there, guys. I'm gonna put a bolt in the back and a bolt in the front. I'm gonna start a bolt. And then I'm just gonna work my way around and then torque it down. All the bolts are twisted in place, guys. Hand tightened. and I'm gonna torque them down to 18 foot-pound. I'm gonna go all the way around, probably start at the back and just work my way all the way around, guys. It's an 18 foot-pound. Okay, guys, I'm torqued down. I saved the swivel part for the last couple bolts that I have to do in the back. Everything's back in place. Super simple to slide that in. Pop the gear selector in place by hand. Everything looks good. So, I'm gonna jack it down and install fluid. But this is great now. I can change the fluid probably every 25,000 miles, but easy to change the fluid now, opposed to have to remove the whole entire pan. So let me get it jacked down, guys, and add some fluid. It's getting late. Okay, it's time to add fluid. Since we only removed the pan, 5 to 6 quarts should top it off. 5 quarts, 6 quarts is kind of just to be on the safe side, because I did take down the filter. Now, if we were removing the tire transmission, guys, and removing the torque converter, this transmission requires 11 quarts of Dexron 6 transmission fluid. So I'm going to start off with 5 quarts and see where we are from there. But that should just about do it. Another thing, I'm going to let the van run while I'm adding fluid. Okay, I'll install 5 quarts. I'll save this quart for later. I'll just check it out. Running good. No leaks. That should just about get it, guys. Guys, if you like this video, find it helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you guys can be notified when I upload new content. I'm about to do the rear brakes on this Tahoe. Rear brake shoes, the whole entire rear brake kit, and change the drums out. I got brand new drums. I got the entire brake kit and front for this. The front's okay. I was just changing the pads on the front, but I'm about to do that video next. And my lights came for the pole barn. I'll be doing that also in the next few days. So subscribe to the channel, guys. Terrence, I'm out.